crazy as this
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
sounds, these rocks aren't glued, tied, or supported in any way. See?
की तवाज़ुन की
But how could structures like
मिसाल
this,
कायम करते हुए
this,
अंग्रेज को
and
देखें
this be
कितनी
possible?
मेहनत के साथ 12 साल की
Let's
मेहनत
find
के
out.
साथ इन्होंने जो है ना ये
Meet
चीज़ें
Michael.
My name
सीखी
is
हैं.
Michael Grab, and I have been balancing rocks for 12 years.
It all started when Michael was spending time by the river.
I usually come down to the creek on hot summer days to relax.
देखिए कितनी ही
One time I
ज़बरदस्त
was hanging out
तरीके
with
से
friends
ये तवाज़ुन कायम करता
a
है.
psychedelic experience and just started balancing rocks by accident.
He tried to create his
बहुत
first
ही
stone
amazing
balance with some rocks that he found by the river.
तरीके से
And he
तवाज़ुन कायम
realized it
करता है.
wasn't so easy. But with a little bit of persistence, he made his first stone balance.
In order to do it, you have to focus on these very tiny vibrations. To stay focused on those vibrations is like purely focused on now. Tap into the animal mind, or like a flow state.
In the beginning, his stone balances were small and simple. But after years of practice, they became pretty impressive. He makes
देखिए
them with
कितने
different
खूबसूरत
rocks
बैलेंस
in
के
different
साथ
countries,
मुख्तलिफ किस्म के स्टाइल
all around
बनाता
the
है
world.
और मुख्तलिफ तरीके से
and some even made their
खूबसूरत
way into
चीज़ें बनाता है.
high-end art installations.
इनके बैलेंस
Michael,
करते
it looks
हुए
amazing.
स्टोन्स को
What are you
कैसे
using to
बेहतरीन
hold it
तरीके से
together?
खड़ा करता है.
Just balance. Gravity is the only glue.
And while some may find this hard to believe, it's true. Michael only uses gravity. Here's how he does it. First, he finds a stable rock to use as a base. Then, he looks for rocks with special shapes and surfaces. Then, he uses the weight of his rocks to stabilize his balance as he builds up.
Once I get a sequence of rocks selected, I basically just start working with it and make really tiny micro adjustments until I feel that very thin thread of balance go through the rocks. I call that the 0 point. It's when the rocks stop and I intuitively know that they're balanced.
इतना बड़ा
But
पत्थर
here's
जो है
something
ना,
even more interesting. Michael removes every stone balance that he's ever built.
I prefer to remove my work to leave the space looking the same way I found it.
This way, he minimizes his footprint. But it begs the question, why build them in the first place?
It's a way to get out in nature and become part of nature through the creative process.
Michael's not stacking rocks. He's making art. Art that blends creativity with nature in a way that the whole world needs to see. And let's face it, his structures are pretty awesome.
बड़ा खूबसूरत स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है जो बैलेंस के साथ. देखें कितने बड़े पत्थर उस पर ये रख कर इनको बैलेंस करके खूबसूरत स्ट्रक्चर बनाया है इसने. बड़ी मेहनत के साथ 12 साल लगे हैं इसमें. कोई काम सीखने में टाइम तो लगता है लेकिन बंदे में परफेक्शन आ जाती है.